Welcome to the online English British Tutor alphabet tutorial. So before we start, there are some instructions. Watch the tutorial first and listen carefully to the sounds that I make when reciting the letters and words. Watch it again and copy the way I say it. Please practice a few times and you will surely improve. A is for apple. B is for banana. C is for cake. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fairy. G is for gate. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jar. K is for kite. L is for lemon. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sandcastle. T is for teddy bear. U is for umbrella. V is for vegetable. W is for wood. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Thank you for watching and learning the British way of speaking English. Please like my Facebook page and share with family and friends. If you would like some lessons with me, please get in touch through Facebook.